Hello investors, welcome to Altainment. Today we bring you the latest actions and updates about the Indian startup ecosystem. India's startup ecosystem was brimming with positive news for the last few months. While some companies grabbed huge funding rounds, many turned unicorns, and a few others made a successful IPO debut. And almost all of them were on hiring spree. This golden phase, however, hit a bump on November 18 when Paytm shares fell 27% on debut. On Monday, shares dropped further by over 17.78% at 12 pm. They closed at Rs 1360, 37% below the issue price of Rs 2150. The share price, however, recovered on Tuesday and closed at INR 1489 on NSE. This unexpected turn of events has now given rise to the debate of whether it will have an impact on the upcoming IPOs of companies including LIC India, MobiKwik, Oyo, among others. According to a news report, MobiKwik might delay its IPO by a few months because of lack of demand from investors along with a 30 to 40% decline in valuation. Some market analysts Entrepreneur India spoke to believe that markets are driven by sentiments and this will affect the upcoming IPOs. Few others believe it will not make a huge difference, while almost all of them opine that this is a lesson for other startups rushing towards the IPO milestone. Amid the ongoing acquisition spree, EdTech Decacorn, Byju's is all set to acquire another startup in the language learning space. The Bangalore-based company is in talks to take over Hello English, according to two sources aware of the matter. This will be the 10th acquisition for Byju's in 2021. The company has spent more than $2 billion for those deals in which Akash Educational Services, Glade Learning, and Epic were the most valued ones. Overall, Byju's has acquired 18 startups since its inception. One person of the sources on the condition of anonymity said, Hello English is in late stage talks to get acquired by Byju's in a deal worth $25 million. The person added, the term sheet has been signed and if nothing goes wrong from here, the transaction will be announced soon. Hello English, previously Culture Alley, is a cloud-based language learning platform where users can learn multiple languages including English, Chinese, Portuguese, Turkish, Nepali, Indonesian, Thai, Arabic, and many others. The app also offers interactive lessons with conversational English, translation, spelling, vocabulary, and grammar tips. The 8-year-old company had last raised $6.5 million in its Series A round led by Tiger Global in 2015. Previously, it raised a seed round in 2013 from Kai Capital. The acquisition will mark Byju's entry into language offerings as the company didn't venture into this segment. The second source, who also wished not to be named, said, besides India, Byju's also plans to expand Hello English to overseas markets including the Southeast Asia region. Thank you for watching us. Please like and subscribe to keep watching important news on unlisted shares, pre-IPO shares and ESOPs. Find buyers and sellers for unlisted shares for free on altinvent.com. Trade secure and safely.